Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Black Dynamite back with another one. Yep, I'm in that Jeep thing, as you can see. Riding around these streets, looking for some BS to do. Ain't got much though. Hey man, y'all think I should trade in my Jeep Gladiator? I don't know. I want something crazy. I'm looking into a Lambo or a Porsche. Oh no. See the cars leaving the wash looking clean. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. I need to get my shit washed. Matter of fact, that's where we're gonna go right now. We're gonna take, saw a little McLaren pass me. I think I missed it. But I need my whip washed ASAP, as you can see. Top of my whip will look a little dirty. Don't sleep on my Jeep though, it gets up. Don't sleep. One thing I like about the Jeep though, like say you want to press on the gas, it's like that shit just stays there until you actually slow down. So you can let off the gas just a little bit and it'll still be in the speed mode. Ow! So I like it. Should be out. Nice little Sunday. Shout out to the Jeep. There's a little white one right here. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? They always give me that little peace sign. You know, I do it every now and then. Little Jeep wave. Little Wagoneer. Let's see, we gotta go to get a little wash. I don't even know if I got my goddamn dirty. She dirty. We're gonna get her right though. We're gonna get her right. We ain't doing too much today. Just chilling. But yeah, man, I'm thinking about trading in my Jeep. I'm not sure what I want to get. God damn, that's loud. That was loud as hell. Sheesh. Alright. So yeah. What y'all think I should get, man? Hit me in the comments. What y'all think I should get? Be getting that washed. This thing look a little birdie, man. We gonna step out, see how it look. But to go car wash, I mean, it ain't too shabby. got a little something though. Let's see. Clean. Over the local pool beside me. Another little Sahara. I'm a Patriot fan. I like how he got his little caps on there. That's fire. I like that. I have to step my game up. But you see, I got my cap small and say cheap. So, look a little clean. Still wiping her down though. We'll grab some more towels. Show y'all a little trick what I put on. See, this is what I put on my tires. Coverall. It's that heat right there. It's that heat. No, we're not sponsored by Coverall. I think it does put some good coverage on your tires. Make them shit shine a little bit. You know what I mean? Oh shoot, Grand Cherokee pulled up on me. Jeep gang, you know what I mean? What's going on, man? Oh, I'm just doing a video, man, you know. Oh, okay. You the second Jeep that pulled up on me. Oh. Yeah, you know, no swag. Hey, listen. Nice tires. Little white thing. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Yes, sir. She looking good. Her shoes is looking shiny. She got the patent leather joints on. That's how we do it. I've said this plenty of times on my channel. Jeeps are great cars. Like, very reliable. I'm not sure who's talking all that Jeeps aren't reliable mess, but I feel like they're very reliable. You know what I mean? And yeah, if you're thinking about getting a Jeep, get one. Stop playing around. Like, I don't know what's wrong with y'all. But yeah, so stop playing, go get you a Jeep. Plain and simple. Like, I had this one guy at the car wash gonna tell me, yeah, my wife wants one. Cause they like to haul stuff. So I said, boy, you better go ahead and get one. He had a Grand Cherokee. Yeah, I saw it. Like, this is just a beneficial truck. You could take the top off. You could take the doors off. And you can haul at the same time and look cool. And look like, you know what I mean? You got that bag. So, yeah, man, it's your boy Black Dynamite, man. I ain't gonna keep y'all too long, man. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Show love. And most importantly, God loves you. Well, you already know, I do too. And I'm out.